Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to do a haul video. Recently Nykaa had their Nykaa Hot Pink sale and I picked some of the products from them, and so yeah, let's begin. Also a quick disclaimer, you might hear some noises in the background. That's because I have a table fan in front of me. It's super hot. I just can't do without that. My makeup will just melt down, so yeah, please excuse that. And also I'm suffering from cold, so my voice might not be the same as usual. I mean, it might be different or it might not be clear. So yeah, that's that. Now without further ado, let's begin. And also I forgot to mention, if you want to know how I got this look, then you can check my Instagram, which I have linked in my description. I have posted a video, so yeah, do check that out and follow me on Instagram as well. So the first thing that I got is the basic necessity right now. Not right now, oops, you saw it. But you don't know what that is. Anyway, it is necessary not only right now, but we should make the habit of using it. And that is this Kaya hand sanitizer, and it's in the size 50 ml. And yeah, the smell is also really good. I have used their sanitizers before also, so I knew that I have to get from Kaya itself, because it's not like those typical hand sanitizers which smells like alcohol, literally alcohol. They give me headaches. So yeah, I got this, and the actual price for this is 25 rupees, but on sale I got this for 20 rupees. And you too, make sure to use it, okay? The next stuff that I got is this pat tapered lash, and it's in the number 52. And as you can see, I have just ruined some of the lashes because I tried to apply it today and I failed miserably. And also this is my first time buying a lash and actually trying to use it, so yeah, I think I'll need some practice. The actual price for this is 245, but I got it in 221 rupees. If you are a beginner just like me, then you can buy this lashes. It's not that expensive. Lashes can be really expensive, so yeah, it was a good deal to buy, and I can practice with this, and when I become perfect, maybe I'll get an expensive one. The next stuff that I got is this Requel Ultra Matte Dry Touch Sunscreen Gel. I was really in need of a good sunscreen, and it says it's water / sweat resistant, perfect under makeup with IR protection, and it's not comedogenic, and it's for all skin types. Before I was using this sunscreen from Lakme. It's the Sun Expert Ultra Matte Gel. When I started using this sunscreen for the first time, it worked really well. But as I have been using this product for days and days and days, it made me break out a lot. Like, I just can't explain. This sunscreen is really weird. Like, when I apply my moisturizer and apply this on top of that, it just starts to like roll. How to explain it? It just peels off my moisturizer along with the sunscreen. So I don't know how to use this, or the product itself is like that. I just don't know. I just like started to hate this sunscreen because, like, oh my god, I can't explain you how much breakout I got because of using this. But am I going to throw it? No, I'm going to use this as my body lotion to protect my body from the sun rays, because that's how we reuse products. If it doesn't work, it doesn't mean you have to throw them out, okay? You can use this in many other ways. Anyway, I'm talking too much, right? Oh god, yeah, I was talking about this sunscreen. This brand is like a skincare that uses acids like salicylic acid, lactic acid, AHA, BHA. You might not understand, but if you want a detailed description about that, then do comment down below and let me know. The actual price for this is 695 rupees, and I got it in the same price, but there was an offer where I got this mini sunscreen, the same sunscreen, but it's the mini one for free. The fourth product that I got is this Maybelline Fit Me concealer, and it's in the shade medium. Most of my friends, whenever they come to my place, they are like, don't you have concealer? And I was like, no, I don't use concealer, like as I say in every other videos. But then I thought I should give it a try, so yeah, here I am. And yeah, this concealer is really good for beginners, and it is not that full coverage, but you can build it up by keeping it on your under eye for like 5 minutes, and then you will get a nice coverage out of that. So yeah, that's that, and I got this for rupees 475. The next product is this Dot & Key Skincare Pollution Plus Acne Defense Green Clay Mask, and I used it once, and it's a really good mask. It instantly brightens your face and clears your pores so that you don't get any pimples or anything, and I really love this. And this is made from matcha tea and tamanu oil, and we all know how good matcha tea is. And the packaging of this mask is really cute. It comes in like this, and the price for this is 695 rupees, and I got it around 500 something in discount, and it was a really good deal for a product from Dot & Key. The next stuff that I got is this acne clarifying gel, and it's from Request, and I have seen so many bloggers use this, and they said that it's really good and you can visibly see results. And it is made from salicylic and glycolic acid, boswellia and rice extract, and it's non-comedogenic and for all skin type. How good is that, right? And it helps in breakout management, visibly reduces acne lessens, and it is also dermatologically tested, so you don't have to worry. And the price for this is 550, and I got it around 500 or something like that. The next stuff that I got is this K-Beauty Kajal, and this is the 24-hour lasting transfer proof smudge proof kajal, enriched with chamomile plus ceramide, and it's in the shade Spade. Let me just open it up. I don't usually use kajal, but then whenever you're doing a smoky eye, then it's really convenient to smoke it out using a kajal than doing it from a eyeshadow. Like obviously it's easy to blend the eyeshadow, but it doesn't give that pigment that I want. So I got this, and it's really nice. The packaging is really nice. I forgot the price for this, but I'll write it on the screen or just show a clip on my site. The next thing that I got is this Pond's Super Light Moisturizer. It's in the gel form, and it's really soothing and calming. I have already mentioned about this in my earlier video, and I have already used it also. And this is a really good moisturizer for this summer time. It's not sticky, it's not heavy, and it's really good. It will not break you out. Do try this. And also they have hyaluronic acid and vitamin E. The next stuff that I got is this Maybelline Hyper Curl Mascara. You saw it in my earlier video as well. This is a really good mascara for such an affordable price. I'm really loving to use it right now, and I use it on a daily basis. This is not the waterproof one, it's the washable version one, because I don't like to use waterproof mascara, because as I have mentioned already, but I'm going to say it again no matter what, it makes my eyelashes fall off, so, and it's very difficult to clean up, but this is really good. The next stuff as well, you have seen it on my earlier video, that is this Maybelline Super Stay Full Coverage Foundation, and this is in the shade 220 beige, and it's really a full coverage foundation. It hides your dark circles, blemishes, pigmentation, your anxiety, your insecurity, everything, and I'm really loving this foundation. I really recommend this. You can try it out, especially for all my oily skin babies. The next and the last stuff that I got is this Philips straightener. This is the Philips Selfie straightener. My hair is already straight, but I want it to be more straight and slick, so I got this one. And also you can curl your hair using a straightener. If you don't know, then do let me know. If you want to see a DIY curl using an straightener, maybe, yeah, do let me know. I got the small size one because I tend to move around a lot and I want something that I can carry in my bag, and I think this is really small and cute, and I can carry it around very easily. And the wire is also quite long. It's not that long, but it's quite long, and it's rotatable. Sometimes you face an issue, right, when you're straightening and this thing doesn't move, so really convenient. I have straightened it once, I tried it once, and it really gives a nice straight hair. But if your hair is really curly and thick, then it might not give you the best straight hair, but it does the job pretty well for me, as my hair is really fine, thin and short. It really suits for my hair. So yeah, that is all for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and also like this video, share with your friends, and I'll see you in my next video.